2025 aspirants, I know you all are very worried regarding preparation because only few days are left for the exam. So do not worry, in this video I am going to discuss a detailed 30-day strategy for cracking COMEDK 2025. In this video I will be telling you the most important topics, I will be giving you a study plan, proper resources that you should be following, and some exciting things also I will be telling you. So if you are an aspirant of COMEDK 2025 and want to get into the best college of Karnataka, do not miss this video. Okay, let's get started. And what all things I have today in this video, let me tell you. So first I have a 30-day study plan, basic part. Then I have chapter wise weightage, study timetable, best resources, and how will Diksha Karnataka channel will help you, right? You know, we are always with your preparation, so I'll be telling you what all things we have planned for your exams. Okay, now coming to the 30-day strategy, just a minute. Yes, so now coming to 30-day strategy, you can see phase 1 will be from 5th of April to 13th of April. Okay, so you have to focus on PU2 syllabus at this point of time. The second phase will start from 14th to 27th, where you have to focus on PU1 syllabus. Then from 28th to 9th of May till your exam, you have to focus on revision and mock test. Okay, so please put down these dates on your calendar and I will be discussing in detail each of these phases. Okay, so as I told you, first phase will be your PU2 focus, where you have to focus from 5th to 13th of April. So what basically you have to do, you have to select a high weightage topic. You have to watch the one-shot videos for that, and prepare the short notes, 10 years of previous year questions, and then you have to write a small test on these chapters. Okay, that is how you will complete each and every chapter. This cycle should follow. Then go for the next chapter. Now if you see for PU1 also, what you have to do, you have to, for PU1, the next phase starts from 14th to 27th of April, and you can expect 20 to 25 questions. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to select a high weightage topic of PU1. You have to do one shot revision video, write short notes, and then do previous year questions. You don't have to write any test on these chapters. Why? Because PU1, if you just do the previous year questions, that is enough. Okay, PU1 means 11th syllabus. Okay, so you have to focus on the 11th syllabus and complete the whole chapter, and you have to do previous year questions of last 10 years. Now coming to the third phase, the final phase from 28th of April to 9th of May, there what you have to do, you have to focus on writing mock test. Okay, so you have to write I'll be giving you dates. On that particular dates, you have to write the full length paper. After that, you have to write the test under exam conditions. Exam conditions means proper, you have to take 3-hour time and you have to write the exam. Next, you have to analyze the mock test properly, and you have to maintain an error notebook where whichever questions you got wrong, you have to list down those questions in that error notebook. Next, you have to revise. Okay, just a minute, sorry. Okay, so next you have to revise the weak areas in your test. Whichever questions got wrong, revise those concepts again. Okay, so you have to maintain an error notebook, keep a track of all your marks in the test, and write at least 3 to 4 full length test. Okay, I'll be giving you the dates. You can see 1st, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th you have to write one test. Okay, and then you have to analyze them properly. Okay, now a question may arise in your mind that, ma'am, from where we are going to get this one shot, from where we are going to get the test series, short notes, everything. So do not worry, I have a solution for that, and that is COMEDK crash course by us, which is a 21-day crash course, and here you will be getting proper 12 mock tests. Okay, so you will be getting proper 12 mock tests. Okay, and complete syllabus revision will be doing in 11th and 12th, 5 years of previous year questions, live doubt solving, and all the class notes, short notes, everything will be provided to you, and the language of the class will definitely be in English. And these all things are available at just ₹199. Okay, so if you are an aspirant of COMEDK and you want a holistic preparation for this, then you can definitely purchase this crash course. Link is there in the description section. Okay, now moving to the weightage wise most important topics. You can see in PU1 chemistry, some basic concepts of chemistry, chemical bonding, equilibrium, organic chemistry, hydrocarbons. These are the most weightage topics. So first, when you come to the PU1 phase, that is from 14th of April to 28th of April, first focus on doing these chapters. Okay. Next, If you talk about PU2 solutions, all the chapters are equally important. So there is no that one of the chapters is not important, less important. All the chapters are equally important. So please do all the chemistry PU2 chapters. Very, very important. Next, coming to PU1 physics, system of particles, gravitation, mechanical properties of solids and fluids, thermodynamics, oscillations and waves. These are the topics you have to focus first. After that, you have to do the other chapters. I'm not telling that leave the other chapters. Okay. Next, in PU2, electric charges, current, electricity, moving charges, magnetism, EMI, AC, these are all high weightage topics. So please cover them first. Ray optics, wave optics and semiconductors. Okay, then do the rest of the chapters. Now coming to mathematics, you can see all the red highlighted chapters. These are your do or die chapters in mathematics. So please cover these chapters. Take a screenshot of this. I will be aside. Please take a screenshot of this and do these chapters. Okay. I hope all of you have taken. Similarly, next slide. Again in maths, you can see calculus, differential equations, matrices, probability. These are all high weightage topics. Okay. Now coming to a study timetable. So here is a proper study timetable which includes proper break so that you don't get burnout. Morning 8 to 10 you can start with mathematics or any other subject. Then you can have a slot from 11 to 1, 3 to 5. So all the chapters you have revised, all the subjects you have revised. Now you can do proper question practice in the evening. Okay, so that is what I have given a timetable. I think you can follow it. Next, coming to study resources. So first is your NCERT, definitely for concept clarification. Here I want to remove this biology. I added it by mistake, sorry. Okay, so biology you don't have to study, only physics, chemistry and maths. Okay, next. You can have this previous year question MTG and Arihant book. Okay, so in MTG, this book, what is there? You have chapter wise previous year questions. So I think this is very good book. And here you have year wise completely solved previous year papers. Okay, so if you don't have this book also, do not worry, because I have something very, very special for you. So after this, let's see what is Diksha Karnataka doing for you, right? You know, we are always there with your preparation. You are having exam and we are not doing anything for you. That cannot happen. So that is why we have launched our COMEDK Launchpad free YouTube series, right? We have already launched it. I think many of you have joined us in our launching video. So yes, we will be having a completely free series on our YouTube. And what all things will be covering there? We will be having everyday class at 5 p.m. Okay, and there what we will do? We will solve chapter wise most expected questions. Then what will be there in this most expected questions? Previous year questions plus some important questions will be there, and COMEDK previous year papers also we are going to solve. So if you don't have those two books, then also it is fine. In YouTube you will get like absolutely free everything. Okay, then once again, I want to tell you, if you want to prepare holistically, properly, even if you want the chapter-wise revision, everything, then please take this crash course. Link is there in the description section. Very, very minimal and affordable price at 1,999. So do not worry. This investment can help you to get into top rank in COMEDK and top college in Bangalore, in Karnataka, right? So yes, students, that's all in this video, and I hope this strategy will help you. Very basic planning we have done. So from 5th of April to 14th or 13th, you have to focus on PU2, then 13 to 28 on PU1. After that, we will be doing mock test and test revision. Okay, and if you want any help, our YouTube channel is definitely there, where we are going to have class every day at 5 p.m. where we will be solving previous year questions and most expected questions. Apart from that, our COMEDK crash course is there. 21-day program, a very, very effective and comprehensive program. If you want, you can go and check it out. It is there. The link is there in the description section. So that was the whole summary of the video, and I wish all the best to all of you. Please prepare hard, and let's see you in the COMEDK classes. Thank you for watching.